What's the matter?
I should have brought my blanket.
What's the matter? What? It's nothing. It's a rainstorm. It's fine. Why do you want to talk to Daddy? You don't even know his number. It's not coming in the house. Don't worry. You don't know his number. What are you pressing all those buttons for? You want to talk to Daddy?
Yes.
Why?
Aidan, I brought your stuff down for you.
Thank you.
Where's me, Aidan, and Ryan are sleeping down here.
That's nice. I'm sleeping upstairs.
Are you crazy? Aidan, you take this.
I'm talking to Daddy. I'm talking to Daddy.
Okay, I'll call him.
Why are you scared?
I'm talking to Daddy.
Okay, why are you scared? Stop, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch.
1917.
I do me.
1917.
Mama, I do me.
Mommy.
817 9123.
It's okay.
The boys got you scared.
No.
Yes.
Daddy.
Read until he says hello. Move.
Hello? Hello?
Dad.
Who's this?
Aidan.
Hi, Aidan.
Daddy.
Don't be scared of the...
Dad. You can that.
What?
You can that. I can't.
Something, don't get afraid. It's just the rain.
He's holding the phone up for him to look.
Tell me to look at that? What are you looking at? I know I said look at that.
Yeah, he was making you look out the window.
Where's the iPad? Where's the iPad? Fine.
No, Dave, you're not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt you. You're in the house. You got a room like that. I got you. You got to be a big tough guy. You got to have...
What do you mean?
Make sure Dylan
What do
doesn't
you
get
mean?
scared.
No. Look at that.
They can't see you.
Go squared. I see
Okay.
cheese.
Good job. You okay to be on the fire today? You want to the doctor with Mommy?
Yeah, turn that off.
Yeah. Okay. Mommy there? Can I speak to Mommy?
If you
Yes.
hear, Ryan, if you hear
Hello?